Hello?
Hello, how are you?
Good, good. Hello. My name is Cedric. What is your name?
My name's Tushar and I'm from Bangladesh.
Oh, too sure.
Yeah,
Oh, yes. Nice to meet you.
me
Yeah,
also.
yeah, too sure. Oh, so you're from Bangladesh?
Yeah,
Um, okay. I'm from the United States,
yeah,
but
I know.
now I am in Mexico City. Yeah.
Okay, okay.
Yeah. So nice to meet you. What what language do you speak in Bangladesh? Oh,
My native is Bengali.
Bengali.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Suppose, how are you in our language? তুমি কেমন আছো?
Wow.
তুমি কেমন আছো?
Tumi, Tumika Molatso.
তুমি
Tumi,
কেমন আছো?
Tumika
And
Onatso. Okay.
we are say, uh, yes, I'm pretty good, or yes, I'm fine.
Mm.
It means in our language, আমি ভালো আছি.
Mihalotsi. Wow. Okay, very good, man. Great. So, uh, how are you today? How was your day today?
Yeah, my day was although in the morning time a little bit
Mm.
nervous some because I have some plan today, but I don't success. I don't make my plan success today, but now I'm happy.
Oh, good, good, good. Did you work today at your job?
No,
Oh, okay.
no. I'm a student till now. I've just completed my graduation or post graduation last year, and now
Wow.
I'm improving my English skill because if I get a bad, if I get a good job, if
Mhm.
I want to get a good job, so I need to improve my English skill.
Yeah. So you finished your master's program. Wow.
Yeah.
Okay. So I also finished a master program, but a long time ago. Uh, did you have to write the thesis?
Yeah.
You mean I mean the last your last assignment for the
Okay.
master's program? Yeah.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah.
Actually, in my master's program,
Mhm.
I have one subject. This
Mhm.
subject name was human resource.
Okay. Mhm. Yeah, man. Now, for me, in my master's program, oh, okay, human resource. In my master's program, right, I had to write a thesis. Um, like,
Okay.
so my subject was creative writing, because I want to, yeah, I want to write books in the future,
Okay.
you know.
Wow,
So
that's good.
so
That's good hobby.
Oh, thank you. Thank you. But I had to, for my final graduate school assignment, I have to write 100 pages of my story, of my novel. Yeah. It was very difficult, very difficult. Yeah, man. Yeah. Maybe it was the most difficult assignment I ever had. Yeah, yeah,
Okay.
yeah,
Okay.
yeah.
And actually, I think assignment is so hard
Yeah.
because we have to so many research or so we have to
That's
read
right.
so many articles to make any types of assignment. So I
Mm,
think this hard for everyone.
mm,
But
yeah,
some people like this, but I don't like.
yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah, I don't see. I like to write. Okay,
Yeah, I
so I had a thesis advisor. Okay,
yeah.
right. So every
Okay,
week, I give my thesis advisor or my thesis professor.
okay,
I give her 10 pages,
okay.
10 pages every week.
Hmm.
Then every week I must give her 10 pages, new pages. You know,
Okay,
it's very difficult. and she if I have some mistake, if I have some mistake on my paper,
Hmm. Hmm.
she says, "Oh, this is a mistake. You must correct this." So I have to correct the mistakes and give her 10 new pages every week. Yeah,
Wow, that's
yeah,
so
yeah.
hard.
I have no time for friends. You know, I have no time to have fun. Like no time. Yeah. So yeah, very difficult.
So what
Yeah.
type of book you want to write in future?
Ah, good question. Maybe okay. So I want to write fiction novels.
Ah,
Okay.
okay, I
Do you
understood.
know? You understand? Okay, good. Fiction novels. Yeah. I'm writing a novel right now. Yeah.
Wow.
Um, yeah. It's about my novel is about a man who is a firefighter.
Firefighter.
Yeah.
Oh,
Yeah.
yeah, there's a hard profession and there's a dedicated profession, I think.
Right. Right. And very dangerous, but
Yeah, it's very dangerous, quite dangerous.
quite dangerous. But you know, everybody loves the firefighter. You know, like everybody admires the firefighter. So yeah, I want to, and me too. I admire firefighters, so I want to write a story about that. Yeah.
Oh, you're a firefighter?
Oh no. But you know, uh, I I could have been a firefighter if I chose that job. You know, I could have been a firefighter or a pilot. Yeah.
I think it's noble profession.
Yeah, me too. Me too. Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah,
Everybody loves the firefighter. So,
of
hmm.
course.
Do you have a job yourself, or are you
No,
only? Yeah. Hmm.
actually, we are having a travel situation because of COVID-19, and
Ah,
we are
yeah, yeah,
passing, we are
yeah.
passing so hardly, and
I got it.
I need to stay my home. I didn't go
Mm,
out. I don't go out to shopping or work any types of thing.
I got
So
it.
it's pretty hard for me. And now
Mm.
I'm not doing any types of job.
Oh,
Because
so,
I fixed my plan. Next three
mm,
months I will available on Cambly and
mm,
practicing English and improve my English skill.
good, good, good. So you don't go outside at all?
I
Mm.
can't go. I want to
Can't
go,
go.
but I can't.
Can't go. Is it a rule in Bangladesh? Like nobody can go out right now?
Mm, actually, we no. It's I in my area, like
Mm-hmm.
I live in a small city. This city name is Kustia.
Mm-hmm.
In those city are locked down nowadays.
Right.
But when we see Dhaka is our capital city, Dhaka is not locked down, or different kind of place or city are
Mm-hmm.
not under the lockdown. But some cities under the lockdown,
I see. I got
and
it.
as I the lockdown cities, so I can't go outside.
I got it. I got
Yeah.
it. Yeah, man. I'm in Mexico right now, and I think Mexico is the numbers are going up slowly, but you know, Mexico is trying to control the
Okay.
situation. Like they open the businesses very slowly. like 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 in United States, man, they they just opened everything. Like okay, everything is open, but yeah, man, the numbers the numbers go up very fast in United States, and then because the numbers go up quickly, uh, now they have to lock down some cities again. You know,
Okay, are you business? Why you are stay on Mexico? Is this business purpose or another?
yeah, man, because well, the main reason I like Mexico better is because there's lots of problems now in United States, and I look at the problems and I say, oh, Mexico does not have those problems.
Ah, okay, I got it.
Yeah, like the high number of coronavirus cases,